Hi, everybody, and welcome back to today's cryptocurrency analysis. It's your guy here, the altcoin doctor here, bringing the latest cryptocurrency analysis on your favorite coins. And if you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on the subscribe button, as we would be bringing you all the analysis on all your favorite cryptocurrencies. And without further ado, let us move to the chart. And as you can see, we are on the chart for ADA versus the USD dollars, and we are on the daily time frame. Now, one of the things you will notice is that we have drawn all our support and resistance levels, even for Cardano or ADA, right down on the daily time frame. And one of the things we have been looking at is that, right, as we could see, price has pushed up above the 0.42 level, and we are coming back to hit the support. As you can see, every single time price pushed above these resistance levels, we came back to test the support before we pushed to the upside. Currently, that is exactly what is happening in the price for Cardano. As we can see, price pushed up. We're coming back to hit the resistance at the 0.4294 dollars, right? We should expect to hold this resistance, right, so that we could see a huge push even to the upside in the medium to long term. So we could see a push down even to, and then we could see another huge push to the upside in the medium to long term. So what we are trying to say is that the 0.4294 level should be held and must not be broken. If for any reason we break this region right around here, right, it could be very disastrous, right, even for if the 0.4294 region isn't respected, right, we could see price now shift, even push even to the downside, right down to this 0.31, which is a 20% dump. But currently, we are not favoring such a scenario, as we are hoping that the support right down for Cardano, even at the 0.42 region, will be respected, and then we could see another huge push even to the 0.5401, even for Cardano in the medium to long term, right? And I'll be giving you more reasons, as if we look at our indicator, the first thing we have in our indicator is our oscillator, and we love the oscillator because the oscillator is a leading indicator, means it tells us what is going to occur in the price for Cardano. And we knew we are going to have right that resistance, because we were forming some sort of, as you can see, right, we were forming some sort of a hidden bearish divergence. As you can see, the same thing happened here, right? And we saw a huge push to the downside. Currently, we are seeing the same thing happen here. So we could see a huge push down even to the resistance levels, even for Cardano. As you can see, we saw a huge push to the downside. If we move even back to the charts, you will see that at that level, right, at this level here, we saw a huge push down even to our level. Currently, we could see the same thing happen here, but we should be expecting some sort of range in the price for Cardano at this level, right? So price could even come and snip into this level, but we are still bullish, as we could see the price of Cardano push even to the upside after having some sort of consolidation at the support level. So that is what we're having right down even on the oscillator. Also, if we check on the money flow, right, the money flow helps us explains what is happening behind the scenes even for the price of Cardano. And as you can see right down on the money flow, we had huge bearish divergence right happening here, meaning we should see another sort of push right down even on the money flow, right, even to the support level, right? And this means that more money is leaving Cardano at the moment, right? So we are seeing a lot of people taking profit on their positions, right, on Cardano, but long term we are still bullish, as even if we move over to the smaller time frame, such as the 4 hourly time frame, You see, the 4 hourly time frame gives us a better clear picture as to what is happening. As you can see, price is retracing back to the 0.40 region, right? So, and we expect price to move even down even to that region, as we could see price push even to this level and then have a push to the upside. So that is what we're expecting for price at the moment, right? For Cardano, as you can see, even on the shorter time frames, we are steadily pushing back. If we check our indicators, even on the 4 hourly time frame, as you can see right down, even having some bearish divergence, right? Even for the uh, oscillator on the lower time frames, as you can see, the same thing occurred here. Some sort of bullish, bearish divergence, and you can see we have just pushing down, and we're just pushing down as a little correction. No need to fret, as we could just see that little correction push to the downside. Same thing on the money flow, as you can see, every single time the money flow gets to its peak, we need some sort of selling to push the price down a bit before we could see right another push in the upside. So we could see something like this before we see another huge push to the upside. Even for the money flow, means we need some couple of people to sell before, right, a huge fake out to the downside before we see another huge push even to the upside in the medium to long term, right? So that's the analysis for today on Cardano. If you like the channel, please do not forget to click on the like button, click on subscribe button, as we would be bringing you all the analysis on all your favorite cryptocurrencies, right? Also, do not forget to put it in the comment section the coins you want us to analyze, and we will do just justice to that, right? Thank you for watching and have a wonderful weekend.